negative exponents. So once again, I'm going to go over the rule and the shortcut, not really the exact reason why, but the rule basically tells me if I have a negative exponent, what it really means is I have that value as a reciprocal, or like this. That's all that really means. It really means just in the denominator when I write it as x to the negative 2. And that would be my answer. Then I could have, sorry, let's get this over a little bit. Okay. So we got to make sure realize here is that this negative 5 is only on this x. Right? So at this one, nothing happens to that y. It stays right there. And there's my answer. So now I got 5x to the negative 5 all over y to the third. So same thing, there's no parentheses around this, so this negative 5 is only on that right there. So this one turns out to be this. And now we got ourselves a little bit of a different situation here. So if you look at this, well, what this is going to equal is that, or what we would just write as x to the second. Okay. Kind of give you a quick little explanation. You can look at it like the bottom turns into a denominator, right? So that's what just this bottom piece would turn into this. And if you remember how to divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, and that's where I end up with that x to the squared, or x squared. So what it looks like is that it just goes, it switches from numerator to denominator or vice versa. For a shortcut, yes. Mathematically, it's a little bit more than that, okay? But it's basically going to go to the numerator. So looking at this, only the stuff with negative powers is gonna do anything. There's nothing to reduce. So this one and this one are gonna have to move. So this ends up being, this one goes to the numerator. Right, this one just stays there, and then this one comes down like such. One thing that starts to happen with people as they start to do this is they just start seeing negatives and start moving them. It's negative exponent. So this is just a regular negative 7. So that just stays there. So the only thing that's going to really move is that right there. So this is going to end up being negative 7 x to the third y to the 8th. And it's over 1, or what I would just write as that.